I'm often asked about the material that I use on the inside of my pots, and it's this mix of oxides. It's manganese and copper oxide mixed together that I pour into the pot when it's been biscuit fired. I like this finish. It's quite dark, which is a nice contrast to the generally lighter outside, and it goes a little bit metallic where it's thicker. So in the bottom of this pot you can see it's gone a little bit sort of bronzy. So what I do is, once the pot's been biscuit fired, I just pour that into the pot and try not to leave it in there too long, and then I tip it out again. And it will run down the side like that. I try not to leave it too long, otherwise it leaves a little bit of a stain, and then I just wipe it off. And just wiping it off actually just spreads a thin layer of the oxide across the surface, which helps to just pick out some of the textures that are created. So you get a little bit of oxide going a little bit thicker in some of the marks, so the oxides run into these holes, for instance, and just picked out the texture along that top edge a little bit clearer. So here's another example of what that copper and manganese mix looks like on the inside of my work. And on this piece particularly, you can see the sort of bronze effect that is achieved when it's quite thick.